In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign template in Odoo. To get started, open Odoo and go to the Sign app. This is where you can prepare documents for electronic signatures and create reusable templates that save time whenever you need to send the same type of document again. Once you're in the Sign app, click Upload PDF. Then select the PDF document you want to use as your template and upload it into Odoo. Make sure you choose the final version of the document, because this is the file people will receive and sign. After the PDF opens in the document editor, you can begin adding the fields your signers will need to complete. On the left side, you'll see the available field types. From there, drag and drop the required fields directly onto the document. Depending on your needs, you can add items like signature, initials, name, email, phone, text, checkbox, or date fields. This lets you turn a standard PDF into an interactive signing document. Next, go to the Signer section and add the signer roles required for the template. This is an important part of the setup, because it defines who is responsible for filling out each part of the document. After adding the signer roles, assign each field to the appropriate signer so the right person completes the right information. Once the fields are assigned, position and resize them as needed on the page. Try to place each field clearly near the relevant section of the document so it feels natural and easy to understand for the signer. Clean placement also helps avoid confusion during the signing process. Before saving, review the entire document carefully to make sure all required signature fields are correctly placed. This is a good moment to double check that nothing is missing and that every field is assigned to the correct signer role. When everything looks good, save the document as a sign template. Saving it as a template allows you to reuse the same layout later without rebuilding it from scratch. After that, return to the Documents or Templates section of Odoo Sign. Whenever you want to use this template for a new signature request, simply open it from there. Then click Send and add the contacts who need to sign the document. Finally, review the request details one last time and click Send to send the document out for signature. That's it. You now know how to create and reuse a sign template in Odoo, making your signature workflow faster and more consistent. Thanks for watching.